Hi everyone. The first quarter of 2025 is over, marking an exciting start to the year. We have driven major changes from platform improvements, new features and content for you to enhance your organization's cyber resilience and performance. So let's get straight into it, starting with the HTB Enterprise Platform. First off, we rolled out HTB recommendations, taking personalization to the next level. From now on, as you navigate any course or scenario, you can see suggested content that aligns with your learning and upskilling journey. This means your team can connect theory with practice instantly. These recommendations are curated by our own HTB experts based on similarities in attack vectors. Similarly, if you're completing a module or a scenario such as a machine or a Sherlock, or even an enterprise attack simulation, you can also access recommendations based on MITRE attack techniques. And we also had some notable new additions such as our new lifetime timer for virtual machine targets. You know how frustrating it is to be midway through a task and have your virtual machine time out? Now team members can easily track how much time they have left on a spawn machine and even extend their session. And on top of that, we have updated notifications across the board. Whether it's a content request being approved or an auto add trigger in the space, both users and admins will get real-time alerts. Now let's move on to Academy for Business, where this quarter alone we released 12 new modules, covering everything from foundational skills to Wi-Fi and mobile penetration testing, along with multiple releases on AI-focused courses. But most importantly, we released the AI Red Teamer job role path. This was developed in partnership with Google and is aligned with their secure AI framework. This path prepares professionals to assess and exploit vulnerabilities in AI systems, from prompt injection to model abuse attacks, ideal for teams looking to stay ahead of the AI threat curve. Now moving on to dedicated labs, we launched 88 new scenarios this quarter. Some of the most popular additions were the latest packs covering server-side template injections, phishing and social engineering attacks, and intro to finance application security. Within professional labs, we introduced another enterprise attack simulation scenario called Odyssey, where your mission is to infiltrate and compromise a gaming infrastructure and practice with skills like VoIP exploitation, Kubernetes attacks, Solaris OS vulnerabilities, and even game server hacking. Now on the Capture the Flag platform, we have made a huge leap forward, improving the way that you can benchmark team skills and maximize engagement. We now offer real-time analytics during events, offering a better view of how teams are performing as it happens. You can spot top performers, support those who are stuck, and make smarter decisions mid-event. We also introduced a new setup interface, allowing you to set up your next CTF event in half the time. We also updated the content library so you can preview content before purchasing, but also improve the flexibility for mixing and matching scenarios, as well as filtering through content as you build your event. We dropped a bunch of new CTF packs as well. Specifically, we added AI prompt injection, coding playground, malware reversing, secure coding, and the penetration testing essentials pack, where for the first time you can engage with hands-on attack simulations, focus on the most common and recent system vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. You can find the penetration testing pack scenarios within the new full pawn category. Meanwhile, the new hints feature allows you to offer assistance to anyone stuck during the event. And now you can also use email reach outs to support players and communicate directly from within the platform with no need of using third-party tools. Last but not least, HTB Talent Search received a big upgrade. We've redesigned the job management dashboard to make it easier to post, track, and manage cybersecurity job listings. You can now view engagement, monitor applicants in real time, and move them through the hiring funnel faster. Before we wrap up, we want to give a big shout out to our community that is shaping the way our product is growing. Thanks to your feedback and support, HTB was recognized as one of the top 100 fastest growing products of 2025, top 50 best education software products, and #1 in cybersecurity skills development on G2, along with 15 more notable rankings. Lastly, we release an abundance of articles helping you stay up to date with the latest updates and topics around cybersecurity and workforce development. But most importantly, don't forget to sign up to this year's Global Cyber Skills Benchmark, where you can test your team's capabilities against global standards, along with a chance to win from a $50,000 prize pool. Otherwise, if you're looking to create your own tailored cybersecurity workforce development plan, you can go to hackthebox.com/business. That is all from us at Hack the Box, and see you in the next quarterly update.